Good morning, students. I am Vinod Kumar from Neeraj Memorial School, Shivpuri, Bhuli, Dhanbad. Children, I discuss with you about Geography chapter first, Resources and Development. What is resources? Resources means all the natural things which used to satisfy our needs are called resources. Resources can be different kinds. First, renewable resources. Which resources can be reproduced by physical, chemical and mechanical process are called renewable resources. For example, water, forest, wildlife, etc. Non-renewable resources. Which resources cannot reproduce again and take millions of years in their formation is called non-renewable resources. For example, coal, mineral, oil, iron, etc. Individual resources. Which resources owned by particular person is called individual resources. For example, pond, land, plantation, well, etc. Community owned resources. Which resources accessible to all the members of community is called community owned resources. Example, park, picnic spot, playground, cinema hall, etc. National resources. All the resources available in our country is called national resources. Example, minerals, forest, rivers, mountains, railway, etc. International resources. Some resources which regulated by international institutions are called international resources. For example, say Himalaya, ocean, space, moon, etc. Developed resources. Which resources can we survey their quality and quantity and develop for use are called developed resources. For example, coal, minerals, oil, gold, etc. Students, आगे देखते हैं हम potential resources. Which resources that found in a region but have not utilized is called potential resources. For example, wind and solar energy. Biotic resources. Which resources relating for living organisms that affect their organisms and in ecosystem is called biotic resources. For example, animals, plants, animals waste, etc. Abiotic resources. Which resources relating for non-living things, organism is called example rock, weather and sunlight, etc. Stock. Quantity and quality of materials in our environment can stock to potential for future purpose by human needs is called stock. For example, hydrogen, oxygen, etc. Reserve. Reserve is a part of stock which can be put into use the help of technical growth in future requirement. Example, water in dam, trees in forest, etc. Agenda 21. Rio de Janeiro established a committee which gave the suggestion about the combat environment damage, poverty, disease through global cooperation in the common interest of Brazil in known as Agenda 21. It has 21 points to maintain the world environment. Resources planning. Government of India relied about a planning which enormous diversity in availability of resources in our country is called resources planning. Sustainable development, which development should take place without damaging the environment, and development in the present time compromise with the needs of the future generation is called sustainable development. In the International Earth Summit in June 1992 at Brazil, where 100 heads of state meet together to thinking about the earth environment, is called International Earth Summit. Rio de Janeiro was the work in leadership of this summit. Resources conservation, when irrational consumption and overutilization of resources may lead to environment problem, so we use these resources as preventing method. It is called resources conservation. Land degradation, continuous use of land over a long period of a time without rest and manage it, called land degradation. Soil erosion, when regular cutting at upper layers of soil due to wind, rain, flowing water is called soil erosion. Terrace farming, when the slope hilly land cutting terrace one by one to cultivate the crops is called terrace farming. It is mostly found in mountainous areas. Shelter belt, when planting line of trees in row by row is called shelter belt. It is found in western and desert region to prevent plants from sand dune. Alluvial soil. Alluvial soil is formed to break into the bank of river silt by river system. It is rich in potash, phosphoric acid with lime to make it fertile. Alluvial soil mostly found in India's are Indus, Ganga and Brahmaputra's valley and Mahanadi, Krishna, Godavari and Kaveri region. This soil is fit for sugarcane, wheat, paddy and pulses. The old alluvial soil is called Bangar. It is found in red in color with Karnataka's. The new alluvial soil is called Khadar. Black soil, which soil is black in color, is called black soil or region soil. Black soil are found in India's are Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, MP and Chhattisgarh. It is very fertile and suitable for growing cotton. Red and yellow soil, which soil formed by diffusion of iron and metamorphic rock, is called red and yellow soil. It is found in Odisha, Chhattisgarh, southern part of Ganga plain and western Ghat in India. Laterite soil. Laterite soil developed in areas of high temperature and heavy rainfall. It is found in Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Madhya Pradesh and hilly areas of Assam. Arid soil, with sandy soil, found in dry climate, high temperature and without of humus and moisture, is called arid soil. It is found in western Rajasthan. Students, chapter 1 we completed.